Hi guys, this is Liz. I'm going to plant a stunning flower arrangement. The arrangement consists of a thriller, filler, and speller. I have put in the alfalfa meal and triple 13 fertilizer. My plants are petunias, aster, tuberosa, black-eyed Susan, salvia, and celosia. I miss the creeping Jenny. I'm sorry, my neighbor is noisy. The black-eyed Susan is my thriller because the yellow color and the green center is dramatic, and it's tall. It can grow as tall as 36 inches. I planted this one last year and it was stunning. I'm going to put it not in the middle but a little bit at the back. I'm also going to use warm casting. My fillers are the salvias, jewel box mix celosia, tall aster, and the tuberosa. This is the first time I plant tuberosa. The asters are luscious looking. These petunias are the trailing spillers. Petunia is one of my favorite flowers. Another trailing spiller is the creeping Jenny. I'm adding more of the alfalfa meal. The NPK value is 511. I'm going to water them now. Watered already. I have inserted the tag to remind me what I have planted in this container. The new soil level is the same as when I bought the plants. I'm putting in now the mulch. Mulching is necessary as our last frost has not passed yet. The mulch can protect the plants from freezing temperature and also from weeds.